Hi guys, it's me again, Sabrina K here. Today we are gonna talk about install Azure Information Protection on the Windows client. So the overview of this session, we are gonna show you what's the foundation of getting Azure Information Protection on your Windows client and what is the overview layout or the look of the Azure Information Protection application after you install in onto your machine. Just a short note here. Having Azure Information Protection to install your Windows client, there's a few ways to do it. If you could deploy Intune, which is the MDM, mobile device management, or maybe the group policy side, which you would push the installer of the Azure Information Protection to your joined Windows client machine. And the last one is the manual way, which you go to the the Microsoft download website to download the application. So let's move on to the demonstration. So in front here, you have a Windows 10 Enterprise. It's a Windows client. Is currently as a work group. Is not joined to domain. So what do you do is that you make sure you are connected to the internet, and you open your browser. Start typing. Download Azure Information Protection. As you can see from this first first top option, which is the right one under Microsoft.com. This is actually my VM, so yeah, it's a bit sluggish. I may need to look at it after this session. You just click download, select the first option right here. As you can see, there's even a preview option here for you, even the MSI for the central deployment also. Click on save. So currently it's downloading. You could go to your file explorer to have a view of the application. And yes, I'm having a supported Office application, which is Office 365 Pro Plus. After the installation, after the download is finished, we can go ahead and double click on it. After you double click on the installation file, it will prompt up this page and you just go ahead and click on agree. Just leave everything default first. Select on yes. So it's under the setup progressing. It takes less than a minute to finish up the progress, probably a minute or two. So once the progress completed, you could go ahead and close this and minimize this, minimize this. Then you could go ahead to your search button or your Windows button, and you can see that this is the application that is installed. It included the Azure Information Protection Viewer, and it also includes the labeling, but currently I haven't had this account enabled yet, so we just have a glimpse view of what's the Azure Information Protection Viewer looks like. So yeah, this is how the viewer looks like. Whenever you want to open a protected file, this viewer will help you to open it. Most important that you need to sign up to your authorized account. So currently I haven't had any encrypted files here to show you. This session is just a very foundation to show you what the Azure Information Protection looks like for the viewer. These are the settings, the dashboard. Azure Information Protection Viewer doesn't only supports for Office 365 account or maybe Office account, even it supports for external parties like Gmail and etc. They need to register. It's free to view the protected document that are sent to them and tag them as an authorized person. So that's all for this session. If you like it, do subscribe and do leave comments below if you find any improvement that I could improve.